Nancy Prince, thread painting and thread sketching artist. Learn from the best. Winner of quilting's highest award, Best of Show at the International Quilt Festival. In addition to on-site and Zoom workshops, Nancy now offers on-demand workshops where you to learn her techniques at your own pace in the comfort of your home.
Hi, my name is Nancy Prince, and I would like to introduce you to one of my on-demand workshops, thread painting and thread sketching combined. I have been teaching for over 20 years, and this workshop has been one of my most popular ones because it teaches both thread painting and thread sketching in one workshop. The workshop begins with the pre-printed design on stabilizer, and using only a straight or zigzag stitch in black thread, the butterfly's thread painting journey begins. Thread painting red, gold, and white threads complete the design. From there, a straight stitch and a red 40-weight thread demonstrates how simple thread sketching can be. A little black thread for the stems and leaves, and your project is finished. To simplify the materials needed, a workshop kit is required, which includes an information-filled booklet that not only contains step-by-step color photos and descriptions, but it also includes pre-printed designs to guide you through each step of the project, so all you have to do is follow the drawn line with needle and thread. The videos of this workshop are organized into workable sections to allow you to proceed at your own speed. As you can see in the video, each step of the machine demo is up close and detailed. Students have a front row seat for each step of the process. To further enhance the video, I narrate throughout to give a thorough understanding of the technique being discussed. The skills you will learn in this workshop include how to hoop each design, plus how to move the hoop to assure quality stitches, how to use a zigzag and straight stitch, which are the only stitches used in thread painting, how this project gives you confidence for your next project, and the importance of thread weight to size of needle. This is a fun and quick workshop, and my students have remarked that my workshops are upbeat, fun, and packed full of information, so I hope you will give one a try.